Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the plugin on the dry vocal track so automation can control level. Don't waste time on excessive pre-processing. Once inserted, route I/O and enable real-time monitoring so the plugin hears the actual mix context. Make sure the vocal level is typical for the session. If it's 6 to 12 dB hotter, reduce fader first. Then open the plugin, set a conservative makeup gain, and preview a 15-30-second phrase to confirm detection before moving on. You now define what right sounds like by setting the target level and tolerance band. This tells the writer where to aim. Once that's set, tune detection sensitivity so it follows consonants and sibilants without pumping, lower sensitivity for noisy takes. Adjust attack and release. Faster attack catches sudden peaks, longer release preserves natural decay. Make sure to audition with the full mix or a sidechain reference, so the plugin reacts to musical context rather than silence. You finish by committing the level moves. Record the plugin's automation or render them to an automation lane so you can polish by hand. Once automated, add subtle makeup gain and gentle compression to glue the vocal. Make sure perceived loudness is consistent across verses. Export a small loop to verify translation on other systems. If the writer overreacts or chases breaths, reduce sensitivity or widen the tolerance band. When in doubt, manually trim problematic gains and rebounce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.